Welcome back to my channel Msquare Tech. Here you can see a problem which is invalid hotspot server. That means if you want to configure a hotspot server in your RB series mikrotik, which is RB750, 760 hex or hexa series mikrotik. Here you can see the invalid hotspot system. That means your hotspot server is not configuring properly. Now I am showing this option. Here you can see the option is invalid. So if you face this type of problem, and then when your router will update version 7, then this problem appear frequently. If you face this type of problem, you can contact with me. I will solve this problem. My contact number has been mentioned in my video description. Here is simple and logically two options will be allowed and some script will be added in your mikrotik, and I will support this remotely, ultra viewer or team viewer or anydex. After adding some code and some feature updated, then your hotspot will be like this. Here you can see the hotspot has been running. Here is no invalid option. I hope you understand. If you face this type of problem, or if you want to solve this type of problem by helping me, just you can call my WhatsApp and email or message me. I will solve this problem within 30 or 50 minutes. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.